Hello all and welcome back for another amazing video, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us. So in today's video we are going to be making a bedside table, and for this one I used these 3 pieces of boards which are 1 feet by 1 feet, as you can see on the screen. And also I have one door, this board that I'm going to use as a door, which measures 34 centimeters by 1 feet, as you have seen in the video. And also I have these big boards here. They measure 1 feet by 21 inches. So here, as you can see on the screen, I'm going to be using this black fabric, and also I'm going to be using this half-inch foam for this DIY today. So I'll be starting by attaching the foam to the boards which need this foam, but you'll see how I'm going to make this design. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end to fully understand all the steps that I've followed. And if you like this kind of content, make sure to like our video, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos. So stay tuned till the end so that you will see the process and you will see the final reveal, so that you can comment and tell me what you think about this one. Enjoy the video. So here, because I've already drilled some holes in the boards before covering them, I'm going to use these holes and some nails to hold the boards together, or hold them so that I can screw them, but you will see the process. So that is basically what I'm doing here. I'm just using these nails and I'm going to replace them with the screws. So that is what I'm going to do. So here I had an idea. I'm going to use this black spray paint and this piece of this fabric here to spray paint the heads of the nails so that they don't shout out that much. And also I'm going to be making this piece of board, which is the door. So just keep watching the video, and if you have liked this video till this far, make sure to like it and comment.